Your journey in skilled trades starts at the Center for Skilled Trades and Technology.
The Landscape Technician Diploma program is a 2-year, 4-semester program. We focus on 3 areas within our industry: horticulture, construction, and landscaping, as well as design.
You get to learn a broad base of the landscape, not only just planting, but you learn a bit of construction, you learn a bit of design using software and technology, so that really appealed to me.
We have an amazing 250-acre botanical gardens. We have this greenhouse facility that the students can learn and apply their propagation and plant production skills.
The professors, they have this hands-on approach where they can come down to your level and break it down for you in a way that makes it understandable and makes it enjoyable.
The students can come to our Humber Landscape Technician Diploma program with 0 skills, 0 knowledge of our industry, and with the courses we have and offer here at Humber, they will be able to have a fulfilling career within our industry.
If you're passionate and if you know you have this inkling towards nature and wanting to make a change in the world or in your community, this program's definitely for you.